So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed. We have a good time on this channel. As seen by the title, we'll be doing a hair install, and today's video is sponsored by JESSIE'S WIGl. They are not new on my channel. If you guys notice, I actually work with just a handful of hair brands, and I just make different videos for them, so you can kind of tell the hair brands that I really like working with, because obviously I love their hair. This time they wanted me to try their Crystal HD lace. I have it in the length 24 or maybe 22. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below, but this is 13x4 lace, and it comes with a natural kinky edges like baby hairs. And it is not new to me because I've actually tried one kinky edges wig before from a different brand, and I really liked it. So that's the reason why I wanted to try it on a curly hair, because the one I tried before from a different brand was straight hair, and I wanted to see how it would look on a curly hair. Now, to be honest with you, it's not the easiest for me to work with, like this kinky edges, and y'all know that I don't really like edges on my wigs. I usually do a no baby hairs type of look, but once in a while I switch it up. I just do like minimal baby hairs and all that kind of stuff. But for this one, I love how soft the kinky baby hairs were. Like, it was easy for me to maneuver. I just did like, you know, a light swoop here and there, and it just, you know, kind of blended into the hair. And for the actual hair itself, it was really soft. It had minimal shedding, and then I just wet the hair and put curl activator and leave-in conditioner as I would normally do for any other like curly hair, and it was perfect. It was fine. I didn't really need to do too much. And then also for the lace, it comes slightly pre-plucked, so what that means is you have to actually pluck this lace. For other pre-plucked wigs, I really didn't need to do it, but I did it anyway. But for this one, you would have to go in and pluck a little bit more, because I had to do that, and the lace was a bit dense. It was thicker than normal. Everything else was perfect. The wig fits amazing. I really love this hair. It is soft, it is silky, it is just yummy to touch, if that's even correct to describe a wig. But I really love this wig. I usually install my wigs with Got2b. I don't do too much for my wigs because I try to protect my hair as possible, like my natural hair as possible, so I don't do too much. It's only in like special occasions that I probably would use like glue, but for the most part it is Got2b, do the bare minimum, and I'm out. And that's the reason why all the wigs that I'll recommend to you guys on this channel, it's always low effort, like either glueless or Got2b, some type of spray to just hold it down. And in terms of plucking and all that, and styling and all that kind of stuff, I don't do too much in my wigs. But yeah, that's pretty much everything for this hair. I'm going to have everything linked in the description box below, so go ahead and check it out if you're interested, which I definitely recommend that you check out JESSIE'S WIGl. Like I said, I work with a handful of companies, like hair companies on my channel, if you've noticed, so they are definitely one of my best or top wig companies to get, like, you know, wigs from. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like the video, also share, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Everything is linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, you at home, I don't care where you at, turn this up right now, because we're about to go in. Hey, sit there.